Hi guys, David from RV Wholesalers with another Versus video. Today we're going to be talking about, do I need a freshwater drinking hose, safe drinking hose, or can I use my garden hose? Argument's been going on forever. Talked to tons of customers that come to pick up an RV and they always say the same thing. Hey, I already bought a hose at my local hardware store. That's great, except did you know that this hose from your local hardware store is not drinking water safe? What does that mean? Normally they're made of rubber or some form of rubber, and they have rubber particles that are released constantly, right? Sits in the sun, and it's going to sit in the sun. It kind of decomposes, right? Starts to come apart, and all that goes into your drinking water. So you take a safe drinking water source, you hook it up to a garden hose, right? Which is more affordable, not gonna lie, definitely more affordable, but now your drinking water is no longer safe. What's your other option? Simple. You go with a drinking water safe hose, an RV hose. They also use them for boats, other applications. This hose is drinking water safe. When it sits in the sun, it's not releasing any type of chemicals. It's not releasing any rubber particles. It's not releasing anything. So if you had drinking water that was safe, you still have safe drinking water once it flows through this hose. So the decision is, do I pay a little bit more and keep my safe drinking water safe? We think the answer is very clear. You want to go with the drinking water safe hose. You can buy them again at RV stores. You can buy them at some of the box stores. We sure hope that you'll buy it from us at rvwholesalers.com, or you can give us a call at 877-877-4494. Ask for parts. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page and follow us on Facebook.